You've probably heard that a glass of red wine is good for your heart. Well, meet the molecule behind that claim, resveratrol, a natural compound with a reputation for long life, brain protection, and anti-aging magic. This video is for educational purposes only and doesn't replace professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before starting supplements. Welcome to ABC of Supplements, where wellness trends meet real science. Resveratrol is a polyphenol found in the skin of red grapes, blueberries, peanuts, and even dark chocolate. It's the compound that plants use to protect themselves from stress, and it turns out it might help our cells do the same. Research on animals shows that resveratrol may support neuroprotection, shielding the brain from oxidative damage, improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar, support heart health by reducing inflammation and improving blood vessel function, act as a powerful antioxidant, fighting off cellular stress and slowing aging. Sounds great, right? But here's the kicker. Most of these effects have been shown in animals or cell cultures. Human studies are still ongoing, and while the signs are promising, we need stronger evidence before calling it a miracle molecule. Still, many health professionals see it as a potential ally in supporting healthy aging, especially when combined with other lifestyle changes.
If I say it's worth that much, it's worth it.
Now let's talk absorption. Resveratrol is absorbed up to 70% in the small intestine, but most of it gets metabolized before it reaches your bloodstream. So it's not just about what you take, it's about how you take it. Combine it with fats, pepper, or synergistic compounds like quercetin or curcumin to improve its bioavailability. Some supplements even blend them together. As for dosing, studies suggest a maximum of 5 grams per day, but most supplements range between 100 and 500 milligrams. Always start small and build with medical supervision. And while it's generally well tolerated, it can block iron absorption, potentially leading to anemia, especially in people already low on iron. Some also report stomach issues at higher doses. Contraindications? Avoid it during pregnancy and be cautious if you're on statins, antihistamines, immunosuppressants, blood thinners like heparin, or antifungal drugs. Resveratrol can interact with many medications. Supplement-wise, look for trans-resveratrol. It's the active form your body can actually use. Micronized versions tend to absorb better, and you'll often find them in capsules or powder form. And let's not forget the original source, food. You'll find resveratrol in red wine, blueberries, and dark chocolate. But the actual amount varies and absorption is limited. Enjoy them, but don't rely on them alone for the benefits. Quick tip: if you're using powdered resveratrol, mix it with a fat source and a pinch of black pepper. You'll be doing your future self a big favor. If this helped you reframe the power of plants and polyphenols, help us grow too. Hit that red subscribe button like it's your daily dose of brain fuel. We've got a lot more coming.